Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to make the most easiest breakfast recipes that you like the most, and it's going to be crazy and it's going to be lovely. You try it once and you watch my video and you make it in your home and just try it. You will love it. So come on everybody, let's see how I made this and you also try it after seeing this video. Come, let's watch. Guys, it's ready to serve and it's going to be yummy, and I love this recipe. And if you like my video, please give a like button, subscribe and share. And if you want for more video, please drop a comment and I'll share with you. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.